Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am planning to paint Surreal seascape painting. It's bringing out your hidden treasure of imagination. Actually, in this enthusiasm painting with steps, I am going to show and bring you an idea to paint Surreal Dreamy ocean. Here a dreamy and imaginative seascape full of bold rainbow colors with beautiful detail in artwork. Really, this tutorial will guide you who want to explore and embrace of creative color combination and the brush strokes in your painting. Now, I am just moistening the palette. This kind of thing will help the paint on palette moistening long lasting. Just use the rainbow colors for this painting. Here I am using Scarlet Lake, Lemon Yellow, Pyroli Orange, Permanent Green Light, Deep Purple, Light Blue, Cobalt Blue, White and Black. First, moistening flat brush size 16 and scooping up some white and some blue. Spun it well together, apply top on the canvas from side to side. Just step by step coming downwards for the blending with the same color. Whenever you feel hard to paint or hard to blend the colors, just when you hard to blend the colors, just moistening the brush with a little water. Here I am using the same color for the sky and water too. Use even side to side brush strokes to maintain consistent blending direction same way. Here sky and water base of the background. I am using the same color for the sky and water in the ocean, dreamy seascape painting. Just come back and forth, soft stroke, no need to harsh stroke in blending. Leave it a couple of minutes to dry the background. Now our easy background is built. The next step going to creating rainbow to the sky and dreamy ocean. So the rainbow reflect on the water in my dreams. So keep the canvas now horizontally way going to create that. Now dilute some white paint with more water using flat brush. Now it looks so much watery and place the circle shape, any kind of circle shape, any kind of circle object on the canvas like this to create the big accurate arc of rainbow. So the first step I am making the watery arc with white paint. This will help to create the rainbow on it smoothly with the brush. Here I am going to show you two ways how to create a rainbow. The first way, place all the 7 rainbow colors one by one on the bristles like this and start to create the rainbow arc from this side to the next side. And just creating slowly and gently with the lotion pressure to handle the brush while making this rainbow arc. After completing this, now I am showing the second way to creating the rainbow. The first way we did the rainbow arc, we placed all the colors on the bristles. But the second way, we placed all the colors on the canvas. But here we are placing all the colors here the starting point one by one. Now start to creating and showing by using the same brush what we did already as it is the same. Continue the same processing step by step entire canvas. Now the beautiful my dreamy rainbow background on the sky and the ocean is ready to continue in painting. Really, rainbow is my favorite inspiration from my childhood. I'm always saying wow when I look the rainbow. Now just I keep the canvas vertically and making the horizontal line. So I stick the masking tape from one corner to the other end. Please check the material list in description below. Then using flat brush 16 and mixing up cobalt blue with little water, scoop up it then creating the horizontal line like this. Spread the paint under the masking tapes corner from one corner to the another side. Then coming slowly downwards by using soft back and forth brush strokes like a transparent look for water. Again I am coming to the horizontal line, making darken shade. Here making little darken for the horizontal line, then remove the masking tape. I start to create the shape of the large outline of waves here. So I am picking a little scarlet lake, mixing with the cobalt blue and scoop up with flat brush size 16 and start to creating the base of the wave in this lower part. And here the half of the canvas from this corner to come slanting way like little zigzag strokes just to keep the Bristle horizontally while creating this and smoothen up inwards like this. Later we will come here to highlighting, just leave it to dry now. Next step we are going to creating the clouds. So now first I am creating the clouds on the sky, rainbow sky. Using round brush size 12, picking orange and creating the clouds, use circular dabbing motions from soft full of shining effect in this. I am creating more clouds on it. So next lemon yellow, then light green, after light blue, everything circular dabbing motions. All are my dreamy, then highlighting the clouds with white for the more shining effect. Surrealist painting always gives more a variety of techniques and depth themes to express the imaginative mind and challenge based on reality. We can guide and aims to creating dream-like illogical and unsettling imaginary to give the imaginary painting. Juxtaposition of real and unreal in combining realistically painted substance with dreamlike are impossible elements. Here, emphasis on the imaginary in surrealist art aims to tap into the imaginary mind and explore hidden treasure of imagination in everyone. Surrealist painting is a rich and multifaceted art form that continues to inspire and challenge viewers with the exploration of human hidden treasure of imaginary and the boundaries of reality. The same way as it is, I am coming to the water too. Layer more clouds dancing on the water and scatter the clouds above the water. Just soften and layer with a light green. Here highlighting the waterways using dry angle brush size 12, picking white and add highlighting over those outlines and soften the edges of the wave, just blending and smoothen up inward. Here I am softening and highlighting again with white, same angle brush. Just brighten up the outline of waves crest, keeping the sweet foam brighten, and use a dry brush techniques to put the white paint towards the ocean water. Here now I am adding little blue with the previous color and scoop a bit of this color to create the distant sand effect softly gently the seashore line. Then adding little black with this color and scoop up this angle brush size 14, creating shadow and sand is going to meeting the foam to the sea foam. Just creating shadow underneath here. Start the texture. This is real kind of dark type of area to be in between foam, just going to meet this area. Then spread the color slightly outward like this shadowy area and blend spread it like this. Almost here we are completing our surreal dreamy rainbow sky and seascape. When I'm coming the final detail full of dreamy and my imaginations. Here this is my imagination, but as per your wish just give your best. Continue the processing in painting until you are satisfied the look of your obliquity. Enjoy the process of creating dreamy artwork in your best style. I believe that you are enjoying this painting and try your own, and I will come and meet you in my next painting.